Good morning, DJ. It is Thursday, October 9th. The time is currently 9:29 a.m. Sorry for the tardiness. Um, didn't wake up a decent hour today. Woke up at 8:36. All right. Didn't do nothing on my morning routine, so let's just skip that today. Just arrived at my desk at 9:28. As always, my weekly target's 5%, and my daily target is $500. Mental check-in, feeling generally okay. Excited to see what price action has in store for us today. Excited to grow, and get 1% better. All right, so the news today was delayed once again. All right, Powell did speak though, because the Feds, I guess, are the only people working. Risk disclaimer, I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the game. News-wise, okay, we had Powell speak today, so we're here anyway. We're gonna trade regardless of the news coming out or not. All right, we had news today, okay. It says there was gonna be news today. Makes it an optimal day for me, all right. Risk going into today, we're at 1. All right, weekly program is a buy program. Let's go ahead and review price action overnight to see if anything's happened to change that buzz here. As you can see, this one is just trickling. Cool. All right, dollar bill, y'all, has hit our objective. Okay, this was our draw on liquidity for dollar. It has been hit. So now I want to see how price behaves in this inefficiency. Should it disrespect this inefficiency? Okay, my next draw is this high up here. So dollars in its premium, right? MNQ is still in premium as well. So they're both in the premium right now. Yesterday's trade, DJ, can you see that? Do you see that? PM session trade. All right, the one that we didn't get tagged in. Beautiful, beautiful stuff there. Look at it, still going. Woo! We got it. Too freaking nice. Anywho, like I said, as far as my current understanding of price action goes, okay, nothing's really happened in price to change my weekly program. If anything, is kind of confirming my weekly program for me. Okay, we had a Tuesday low of the week. All right, so it's Thursday, so Thursday could be a Thursday reversal, but I doubt it. But you never know. Small gap, open range gap, so don't expect much from price today. This is still the draw. 25, 4, 7. Is that 8, 4, 7, 8? Like 7, 5, some shit like that. Carry your blessings on. You have a lot of 4-hour inefficiencies here to support price higher. First one we'll focus on is this one here. That's just because that's where price is at. Should it get disrespected, all right, we'll move on to the next. I prefer this one just because we have key levels nested inside of it. We got a lot of sell side here. Got PM session, lunch, AM session to this inefficiency. So definitely anticipating this inefficiency. Let's move it. grades is right in line with equal constant encouragement of the open range capital. Market structure shift below. Does she keep price coming lower? Running out. Glory your blessings all on me. Every your blessings follow me. Follow me, oh. That would have been an easy trade there. Good to know. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. $100 on the floor. Pick that shit up. Taking PM session sell side. It's not my time though. The lady said what she said. She said what she said. Give her the info. Now this will be interesting because we won't be trade unless we trade back above that key level. It will be good data to collect here because I want to see it trade back above the key level. This is a daily. Took liquidity below it. All right. Trade back above that. Oh yeah, I'm definitely interested here. Defo, give me that. Make sure we go one above. Because you won't catch me again with that shit. Twice in a row yesterday. That was a madness. What's the low of this? We're looking at 272.75. So we're looking at 273.75. Should have confirmed this inefficiency here. I will adjust. But that means the stop will be. Ooh, get any more? Energy 291.25. So we're looking at 292.25. Cure. Carry your blessings all on me. You get confident, maybe you get so. It leaves another one here. That's, I'm gonna leave it alone. That's too high for me. My one contract. Oh, I'm fine missing it if it doesn't come and tag me in. I'm trying to see if there's a gap there. Oh, there isn't a gap there. And I left it. All right, I'll watch this inefficiency here, but if it doesn't give me an entry, that's fine. This one does have this key level here though. Oh yeah, man. Put on your dancing shoe. You get confidence, baby. Get so. Order filled. Wait. Let me set my stop before you do all that. God damn. Sell side below. Did you get tagged? The upper one? You can see -3 lines up perfectly with the buy side here. Now we've come up, taking buy side above. Above that, and then we close below this inefficiency. Not looking too good. I don't want it to respect this inefficiency. It's not looking too good for this trade already. The fix is gone. Sound like Zoom. The fix is gone.
Sorry, from the building.
Ow.
I was told that I couldn't talk unless I joined on my own. But what are they gonna do? Put tape on my mouth?
We'll go for -3, but that's just because it lines up with the. But this trading looking good already, so. Closure below this order block. That's it. That's it for that trade. I would just accept the loss there. No. Yeah, I'm accepting it. Needs to go in the next few candles for me. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's it. That's it for this trade. That's fair. That's fair. Order filled. Yep. Call that. Get any more energy, yo. Nothing wrong with that. That was a fair trade. Fair loss. Bing, bing, bang, bosh. We close the hey, it didn't give me the opportunity though, innit? So give me a body, you know, come on. We need to see a trade into and through here and leave an inefficiency. All right. Another one. Doesn't actually trade to it. So I'm not interested here. I'll see though, I'll check. See what it does. Two of this daily though. Ten o'clock. And I missed it. Bro. It's all right. We'll watch it here. Took liquidity below this, so the target wise looking like this. So even the daily is fine too, I guess. Not I guess, but like, because I'll take it there weekly if it's paired with something, right? Like a daily or 4 hour inefficiency, which this one is. So, okay. Plus time is there, so just go for it, right? As long as you have time and the setup, don't hesitate. They're still here, so an entry in here was still valid. But it's gone, it's gone, it's gone without us. Yeah, with that opening range gap, I should just shut this bitch down, just left the morning alone. Well, it's good data collecting, so we'll see. Maybe I can start using it as a filter. Because that tiny, tiny gap giving me this crappy price action, as I said, right? We gain a Thursday reversal. Is it possible? It's definitely possible. Can I need more? Close below it, and now we're respecting it. Would not be feeling good in this trade if I was in there. Next two candles needs to go. I knew I should just put my stuff where I wanted to put it. There was something fishy about that trade. Stank like fish from the get-go. Taste is here and use an inefficiency, I'll be interested. Or even close above this inefficiency. It's me done here. Next opportunity, we'll wait for 10:45. Put a note for myself to pay attention to size of the open range gap and price action. At least in the first hour. To just ignore it, you know? Solid self, because where are we? In the weekly, we're in the premium, we're in the deep premium, and according to the weekly previous candle week's range. So, oh, you know what? I forgot again. Rough. Midnight open. I need to get that shit down and updated because I'm forgetting that. It says above midnight open. Well, not above midnight open. At or above. Should we be at? Plus at or above? We're technically at it. Yeah, but yeah. Yeah, but yeah. Above midnight open. And or above Monday open. Give me a body, automatic. Oh, yeah, ma. Put on your dancing shoe. What the modest? I don't have my time. If he gives it to me, let's see. Oh, Oyama, put on your dancing shoe. You get confident to be yes so. Five. Eight, so we're looking at 2925. Yep. Oh, let it confirm first. 5 seconds. 2925. One. Secret ingredient is for me is missing here. So let's see. No sec buddy. Hey, why didn't it set my stop? This when it came to take me out here, it came back to give me the opportunity because obviously I noticed this sell here. So potentially this could have been once it took me out and it came back in here. That's a re-entry for me. To buy side. So this was the load I came to take buy side. So when I got taken out, yeah, no worries, no qualms with that. Just kind of confirmed this sell here. We're already in a deep premium. Cool, 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 cool. Shine on me. Coastal flood. Will not be feeling good about this trade now, right? Which just adds more emphasis on time. Time being the most important. That's crazy. Huh? Yeah. Without time, we have nothing. You just have a losing trade. Anyway, we're still in this trade, so wouldn't be looking good though. Anyway, this sell here, what would be targeting? No. Is the daily? No, 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 no. Thank you, Price, for reinforcing that if my time ain't there, my setup ain't there either. Period. Avoided a loss there. All right. Good data collecting. Just to reinforce that I only want to be trading in my macro time. Setups that involve the macro. That's it. That's it, and that's all. So back to this trade here. That's the trade we're watching now. It's the only viable trade of the day of the morning. Took buy side above. So yeah, targeting wise, still would be in this trade. They haven't even given us the opportunity to partial yet. When we got taken out, which was a fair trade, nothing wrong with that. But also, we took buy side above it, displaced below, closed below this inefficiency, gave us a SIBI. Fair enough if I didn't want to obviously close my trade initially because that's what entered me in this trade. But when I got taken out my buy, all right, understanding that the conditions that we're in a deep premium. We're close to midnight open, but we're definitely above Monday opening price. So conditions for sales in the buy program have been met. So this would have been a valid when it came back into this inefficiency here. Actually missed us here at that inversion. When it came back in here, it was giving me another opportunity to get back in the sell, telling me that, oh yeah, I don't want to go higher. Okay, that's why I took you out. Focus on this setup here. Cool. Even when it came back in here above that key level or daily, I guess daily, weekly, I show them, so I should be able to enter around them, right? So there's still key levels. We took buy side above this key level here. Okay, and then inefficiency. So that was a re-entry, even if I didn't want to get back into this fair value gap. It gave me this opportunity here. Okay, still inside of my macro. Because once it took me out, once my buy fails, it's telling me it's giving me information about price action. Right. So I have to interpret that information. Cool, cool, cool. Even caused the market structure shift below it, making it A plus. Took it on both sides. All right. I see you. I see you. Hey, hey, hey. Even getting sales here on my regular setups. That's a solid setup. Previous day's highs. So I'm targeting a low. I'm targeting the previous day low here. That's yesterday's low potentially. But first, obviously, we're partially at 50% of the previous day's range, which is in line with -1. So that's my current draw right now. Also taking us back to previous candle, the weekly range high. So this adds confluence to this level here. Are we getting a Thursday reversal? Because that profile is definitely a possibility. That's when it's supposed to happen on Thursdays. What morning? That's crazy. Negative 0.5 smashed it. Also, consequent encouragement of that for our inefficiency. I want to see this, see we keep price lower. Bless you. Just like that, just like that, just like that, just like that. To at least here, right? That's a look or something, right? From here to here, will give me back my drawdown, right? I don't need the full move, you know, just tiny piece. As long as I know where the draw is, just a tiny piece of the price action is enough. We back at 10:45. Get I need more energy, oh. Unity, the way that shit. Yeah, not the magic. Oh, you want my. That's for you. Meat and potatoes. And there you go, bing bang biggity bosh. Just a little something from here to there. Get back your drawdown. Simple, right? Simple, simple. Okay, okay. Plus 150, negative one still hasn't been smashed yet. That time, it's that time, it's that time. It gives me this busy. Definitely interested. Still hasn't hit my negative one though, so I'm wary of that. But that's not gonna stop me from this perfectly good trade here. If it forms. And it does for you. You get confidence, baby, you get so. What's the low of this currently? We're looking at 21175, so 211275. 2112. Oh, it's gonna change. Yeah, a sec. 206, 207.75. Doesn't tag me, doesn't tag me. I missed the entry again. Still wary that we didn't hit negative one though. Cause how? How is that possible? Yeah, my God, it's gone without me again. 3 times now in a row. It's all right. I need to be alert, man. I was there ready, but like, what was I waiting on? I should have just set the bitch and just left it there. I hate when it drops and then is like creating the low as the next candle is forming. But anyway, that was the setup right here. We're watching it though. Negative 0.5 smash there. Let's see a closure above this. Wow. Third trade in a row, I did that to myself. Well, this one I can be a little bit whatever, but the other ones, maybe we guess so. Anyway, we've taken buy side above this E level here. All right. I want to see this inefficiency once it confirms. Support price higher. What 5 seconds on that? 4, 3, 2, 1. Maybe I can re-enter there. Let's give it a shot. What's the low? 2875. 2875. We're looking at 2975. Let's see if it gives me an entry here. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If it does, great. There's no one higher available to talk to. That's what he's saying. Their corporate's undergoing internal changes. He said he CC'd a representative from our corporate office. Oh, there is a gap. Oh, Alice, come on. Pay attention. It's because I'm not. Oh, come on, man. Entry should be here. But it's okay, we'll leave it there for now. And if it goes, it goes. It is what it is. I'm not gonna adjust it now, it's too late. If there's a gap, make sure to include the gap because I included the gap in the fair value gap here. But why would I not include the gap in the entry point? This would have been there, right? Yeah. It's okay. That's on me again. It's all right. That's on me again. It's on the trader. Analyst is doing her part. She's doing her job. She's on job. Analyst is on job. The trader needs to catch up. I don't think it would have took you out there. What's the high? Yeah, 2.5 is there. We're looking at 650. I wouldn't have taken you out. Yeah. Oh, mate. Oh, I'm not even mad at it. I'm not mad at it. Just happy that I can anticipate the setup and see the setup, even though I'm not part of it, you know. Yeah, one is big like this. For 1 minute, this is a big range. Okay, it's a big range. I should do bodies on that if it's a big range like that, because this is, yeah, that's huge. For a counter trend trade as well on top of that, yeah, that's a bit much. Marking too much of the market there. As you can see, look at that -1 line up perfectly, -1.5. Perfectly there. Yeah. Well, like what we'll consider a big range, right? Let's get some numbers in place here. -1 getting smashed there on that trade. Okay. Oh, yumma, put on your dancing show. Baby, yes, you get confidence, baby, you get soul. Yeah, I need more energy, oh, and nothing, give me a motto. All right, anyway, let's get back to what I was doing here. I'm trying to see something. Oh, somebody help me out here. How do I see how many ticks that is it up? How do I see how many ticks that is? Or handles? Is that saying that's 250 handles there? Or is it 25 handles? Anyway, let's do the numbers from 25 317 to 25 to, let me do math. Hey. Bro, no, it won't bring it back. Bring it back, bring it back. It was 25, 3, 1, something. Three, 1, 7. 25, 2, 5, 3. Okay, so that's what we're saying. 63 handles. All right, all right, all right. You get confidence, baby. You get so. You need more energy. Oh, my analyst is like, she's on one nowadays, boy. What? Don't play with her. She don't want to play with negative 1.5 plus no plausible deniability. Just smashing, smashing, smashing. I just can't believe I did it to myself again. But you know what? It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna let it go. So that was what, 63 handles I'm seeing there, or 63 handles. So above, definitely above 63, 60, we're doing candle bodies. If the range for the targeting is this big, right? Because for a pro trend trade, maybe I can allow it. Even then, I still would want to adjust it, but for a counter trend trade, definitely can't expect too much of the market. Um, but maybe I can test both, right? Do body and wicks to see which one lines up. Let's go body here and see. This one is too small to even be doing that. Look at that, -10. But this is a decent size range for it to use the wicks. But taking buy side above that. Okay. It leaves a busy, you know. Ah, it did. Oh, it's missed me. You know what? I'm just gonna watch it. I'm just not quick enough. Go be quicker than that. I'm just not quick enough. But we're watching this inefficiency here, all right, to take us to the opposite of the range, which is up here and up here. Hey, closure below this too. This could be just a retracement, right? And continue lower. Ah, look at that. I'm glad I didn't get into that. Closure below here is given a sell. It's given sell, sell, sell. Boom, boom, boom. Inefficiency close below this inversion here. I'll be getting smacked out that bitch. Glad that was slow. It's gonna be a down day, and this is the only retracement or buy you're gonna get. Hey, you are break even now, risk free of the 3 partials. Yeah, I was doing this. Give me your Audine automatic. This is what, 27 handles there. Okay, so 27, so 30, about 30. That's like half of this. And then if you round up really and truly. So, so above what? 50? Should we do 50? 50 handles for now? Targeting range. This is what I mean. I need to go through this little notebook here and write everything down. And then the ones I'm going to add to the blueprint, I need to, start doing that. I'm targeting range. More. This one was I believe it was like 60 or something like 63. This should support price higher. So stop here with a bit, come and smash me up, but still respecting this inefficiency here. Actually taking a created below it. Close above this inefficiency here. So this here, goodbye too. Let's say 50 handles. Yeah, so definitely above 50. More than 50 handles, then use candle bodies for targeting. Anything else, the wicks is perfectly fine. I said, be my life on you. Market structure back above it. If the busy, this would be my last opportunity here. Last. Now everybody's a drop back like shy. If it gives it. If it doesn't, it is what it is. I won't be hurt. Yeah, I'm not interested in that. Even if it leaves a tiny busy here, whatever, I'll watch it. And it doesn't even leave a busy. We'll do a trade performance review and get the out of here. Baby, you guess so. -2, smash a ruby. Me about you, now automatic. Firewood. All right, DJ. Never had ads with music before. What I did well this AM session, okay, is that I showed up. I got 1% better. Definitely got 1% better. Gain experience, all right. Learned lessons that I'll take into my next trading session, trading day. Another thing I did well is that I followed my model procedures and protocols and waited till my time and then anticipated my setup, okay. Learned obviously once the setup I'm anticipating during the time fails, all right, pay attention to price action, what it's telling you, right? The information that you're gathering, right? If you take a loss, price is giving you information. So yeah, got a little tidbit on that. So we'll take that for today. Another thing else I did well is that what else did I do well? We're back in here. What are the chances that this 1, 2, 3, 4? Okay, it doesn't come back in there. I like that. Don't know what else I did well, but anyway, we'll move on. Where I fell short today will be wake up time and morning routine. All right, chart wise, I would say same mistake I made yesterday. I made it twice. Came back into today, aware of the mistakes, tried to do better, and still didn't, correct the mistakes. Yeah, but it's okay though. As long as the analyst is improving, okay, the trader will catch up. Obviously, also, yeah, so not learning from previous mistakes and obviously repeating that same mistake, fell short though. How I can improve for next trading session is be aware that if I have an inefficiency and there's also a volume imbalance, I include that in the inefficiency, so I should include that in the entry as well. For this setup here, okay, we had this inefficiency with the volume balance imbalance, so my entry really should have been at the open of this candle here, okay, and obviously I would have been tagged and would have got a local some out of the market, right? At least crawl back some drawdown. Um, and when the candle that's closing is confirming a fair value gap, all right, have your finger on the trigger, ready to go, all right, because as soon as it closes, you know the next candle is gonna open right next to it. Have it on the trigger, ready to go, a little bit above that candle, just so you ensure your entry. Okay, so um, another thing I can do to improve for next trading day is just keep showing up. Okay, keep sticking to my model precision protocols, keep collecting data. All right, and noting down everything that you notice in price, okay, that you want to implement into your model precision protocols, all right, that you might want to obviously be aware of while in trading than that. But yeah, other than that, just keep showing up. All right, keep sticking to your model precision protocols. Don't let short-term adversity deviate from what you got going on. I won't be back for PM session today, DJ. So I will be here. We'll be here tomorrow morning. All right, 9:15, 9:25 kickoff time. Dollars digging deeper into that inefficient daily inefficiency and into the 4 hour. We're inside the 4 hour as well now, nested inside. So next draw is good encouragement of this inefficiency here, which is breaking out of this daily inefficiency. So if it doesn't make it there, this would be the reason for that. Very much given sales, very much given this is all I wanted to offer you, -2, it's just a local retracement, okay? Because if it's gonna be a predominantly sell day, right, then you're just gonna get a little bit, right? You don't ask too much. Anyway, you'd be at break even on this trade. Let's see what this one will be looking at. What I'll be looking at here really. -1. Because this will be the candle that brings you in. This would be the high. Yeah, that would be weird, isn't it? Exit for that would be weird. We could just go there. But anyway, another amazing morning in front of the markets, growing, getting 1% better, learning lessons, okay, making mistakes and repeating mistakes and learning from them and learning about getting closer to price action, improving my analyst, okay. As you can tell, DJ, my analyst is, on a different level nowadays. So the rest is things that I can work on just on the trader. Okay, it's easy fix for those things. So that's why I'm not really pretty much pressed about anything that's happening right now. I'm just happy that I'm able to show up and identify my setup, all right, in a time that I want to be seeing it, anticipate it, and just watch it pan out as it's supposed to, right? Mm-mm-mm. Too much still respecting this here. Yeah, that's why I'm like, it didn't hit -1. Something is just off there. Like it doesn't do that. Majority of the time, it doesn't do that. It won't get that -1. But DJ, I'll catch you tomorrow morning. All right. Yeah, another brilliant morning. Growing, getting better, improving, learning, making mistakes. It's all part of the journey. It's all part of the process. And I'm just trusting it now. All right. Jesus, take the wheel. Well, anybody who came with you, DJ. Deuces, you know what it is, what it is, what it isn't. I'm the trader, signing out. Good luck, good trading, happy hunting.